Ray here, and I'm here today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I lay my baby hairs. Today I'm going to be featuring Edge Control Touchdown Edge Tamer. They have different variations of their product as well. Also have different scents, so I'll be showing you guys that as well, and I'll be using them today to tame my baby hairs. So let's get right into this video. Today I'm going to be doing my baby hairs on a messy bun. Right now I haven't done my baby hairs, so you can already see that it is kind of missing something. So we want to go ahead and throw some baby hairs on there. Alright, so I'm going to take my rat tail comb. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb just to actually pull out the hairs that I want to lay. Now do keep in mind you don't want to pull out a lot of hair because if you pull out too much, then it may not lay the way that you want, and then you'll kind of have all these hairs that are kind of like sticking up because it was too long, if that makes sense. So I usually pull out hairs on this side and then this side. Alright, so I feel like I got all the hairs out that I actually want to style my baby hairs with. I am taking my toothbrush. If you have like an edge control brush, you can use that too, or a toothbrush is perfectly fine. I'm going to be spraying some water on my brush just to get it a little bit moist, because sometimes when my brush is too dry, it really doesn't move the hair. Once you get your brush just a little bit wet, it doesn't have to be soaking wet, you are going to start positioning the hairs where you want the baby hairs to go. First, I am going to style the first swoop. So I'm going to take my brush and following with my hand, so I'll take my brush and with my finger I am going to create a swoop. Alright, and then you do a swoop like that. Once I do a swoop, I'm going to take some of the edge control. The edge control that I'm going to be using is the second Touchdown Edge Tamer, and this is the shea butter one, and it smells so good. It smells so good. So that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of my edge control and I'm going to be putting it on that section. So first I like to kind of swoop the baby hairs to see where I want it to go before I add the edge control. Once you see where you want to put the baby hairs, that's when you kind of do the swoop once the edge control is on that section. So then I'm still going to take my finger and I like to go slow, and then I'm just going to swoop it up. And then that is the first swoop. And then I think I need to take a little bit more hair out here so I can do the next swoop. Which is a good thing we don't take like all the hair out at one time. Just because at this moment I'm like, okay, I need some more hair. But if I don't need all that hair, then we're gonna be like, oh my goodness. So yeah, and then we'll do that to the next one. We'll start swooping it. And then once we kind of have where we want it to go, then that's when I put the edge control on there. We're just going to fluff out the bun a little bit. And there you have it. So these are my baby hairs. And I love the way that whenever you put the edge control in there, you can kind of feel your hair just like freezing into place. And like I said, the one that I used was the shea butter one, and it smells so good. So these are the different ones that they have. And it has that oily type of feel to it, so it doesn't leave your hair kind of like dry and then after a while it gets flaky. Since it kind of has that oily feel, it leaves it like shiny, and then also it still has that extreme hold. So I'm not worried about any flakiness just because it provides that shine and it doesn't flake. And they also have that on here, no flaking, and then also it does say it does tame frizz. If you guys are interested in picking up the edge control, it's actually available at all local beauty supply stores for purchase. But I'll also leave their Instagram handle information in the description box below. Alright guys, well we reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you at the next one.